Are you tired of constantly feeling stressed and anxious? Let's explore some natural remedies that can help. Welcome back to the Healthy Habits channel, where today we're navigating through the forest of herbal solutions to manage these prevalent concerns. First on the list, we have chamomile. This herb is practically synonymous with tranquility. Its compounds work like a charm to dial down anxiety and induce relaxation. Picture yourself sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea, letting the day's stress melt away.
Chamomile is well known for its calming properties, making it an excellent herbal remedy for stress and anxiety. It contains compounds like apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Chamomile is also rich in antioxidants that help combat the harmful effects of stress on the body. Drinking chamomile tea can have a soothing effect on both the mind and body, helping to reduce tension and promote relaxation. Research has shown that chamomile may also help improve sleep quality, making it especially beneficial for those experiencing anxiety-related sleep disturbances. To experience the stress-relieving benefits of chamomile, simply steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then enjoy a cup whenever you're feeling stressed or anxious.
Next, meet lavender. Its calming aroma has been soothing people for centuries. Using lavender essential oil in a diffuser, adding it to a bath, or simply inhaling its scent can work wonders for your stress levels.
Lavender is famous for its soothing aroma, making it a popular choice for reducing stress and anxiety. The scent of lavender has been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce feelings of anxiety and promote relaxation. Inhalation of lavender essential oil has been found to decrease heart rate and blood pressure, indicating its ability to induce a state of relaxation. You can enjoy the stress-relieving benefits of lavender by using lavender essential oil in a variety of ways. Diffusing lavender oil in your home or workspace can create a calming atmosphere, perfect for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Adding a few drops of lavender oil to your bath can also help you unwind after a long day. Additionally, you can apply diluted lavender oil to your wrists or temples for an instant dose of relaxation on the go. Whether inhaled or applied topically, lavender essential oil is an excellent natural remedy for reducing stress and anxiety.
Then there's lemon balm, a herb that packs a punch when it comes to anxiety. Its calming compounds are a balm for the nervous system. A cup of lemon balm tea might be just what you need when stress levels spike.
Lemon balm is another herb that has been traditionally used to reduce stress and anxiety. It contains compounds such as rosmarinic acid and flavonoids, which have been found to have a calming effect on the nervous system. Lemon balm works by increasing the levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. Studies have shown that lemon balm can help reduce symptoms of anxiety, promote relaxation, and improve mood. One of the easiest ways to enjoy the stress-relieving benefits of lemon balm is by drinking it as a tea. Simply steep dried lemon balm leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then enjoy a cup whenever you're feeling stressed or anxious. You can also find lemon balm supplements in the form of capsules or tinctures, which can be taken daily to help manage stress and anxiety. Additionally, lemon balm essential oil can be used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Whether enjoyed as a tea, supplement, or essential oil, lemon balm is a gentle and effective herbal remedy for promoting relaxation and reducing stress and anxiety.
Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. It works to balance cortisol levels, promoting a sense of calm. Whether taken as a supplement or added to a smoothie, ashwagandha could be your new stress-busting buddy.
Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that has been used for centuries in traditional Ayurvedic medicine to help the body cope with stress. It contains compounds called withanolides, which have been found to have anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing effects. Ashwagandha works by modulating the body's stress response system, helping to reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone in the body. By lowering cortisol levels, ashwagandha promotes a sense of calm and relaxation, making it an effective herbal remedy for reducing stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that ashwagandha supplementation can help reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. You can take ashwagandha in the form of capsules, powder, or liquid extract. The recommended dosage is typically 300 to 600 milligrams of standardized extract per day, taken with meals. It's important to note that it may take several weeks of consistent use to experience the full benefits of ashwagandha. However, once the effects kick in, many people find that ashwagandha helps them feel calmer, more relaxed, and better able to cope with stress.
We also have passion flower, a herb known for its sedative properties. It's like a lullaby for the mind, promoting relaxation and better sleep. A cup of passion flower tea before bed could be your ticket to dreamland.
Passion flower is a gentle herb that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. It contains compounds such as flavonoids and alkaloids, which have been found to have sedative and anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing effects. Passion flower works by increasing levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. Studies have shown that passion flower can help reduce symptoms of anxiety, improve sleep quality, and promote a sense of calm. One of the easiest ways to enjoy the stress-relieving benefits of passion flower is by drinking it as tea. Simply steep dried passion flower leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then enjoy a cup whenever you're feeling stressed or anxious. You can also find passion flower supplements in the form of capsules or tinctures, which can be taken daily to help manage stress and anxiety. Passion flower is generally safe for most people when used as directed. With its gentle sedative effects, passion flower is a safe and effective herbal remedy for promoting relaxation and reducing stress and anxiety.
And there you have it, powerful herbal remedies to help manage stress and anxiety. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can offer a natural way to promote relaxation and maintain your cool. Remember, nature has a remedy for almost everything. Till next time, stay healthy and stress-free.
In conclusion, incorporating these powerful herbal remedies into your daily routine can help you effectively manage stress and anxiety naturally. Nature has provided us with a variety of herbs that can promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and improve overall well-being. Whether enjoyed as teas, supplements, or essential oils, these herbal remedies offer gentle and effective solutions for dealing with the challenges of modern life. Remember to listen to your body and find the herbal remedies that work best for you. Here's to a happier, healthier, and more balanced life. Thanks for watching Healthy Habits, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.